Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get free gifts on Temu. So basically what you're going to do, there is like a hack for free gifts, right? So what I'm going to do in order to do it, I'm going to get back or get out from Temu and just go out to your browser. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to search for app library.org, and basically it's gonna open up a new page for you. Let me cancel this one, and I'm gonna just go ahead and head to the app library website, right? And as you can see right here, this is like the interface of the website. So I'm gonna search right here for Temu, right? And I'm gonna just click on Temu, and here it says download needed. Just go ahead right here and click download needed, and finding Temu with $150 coupon. And here it says your phone is compatible with Temu, and then making requests for installation files. And basically you gotta just wait along for like a few moments, and then you're gonna wait it out for, right? And as you can see right here, it's gonna direct you to a new page. And as you can see right here, if you are using this website other than my location in Saudi Arabia, which is banned, right, you're gonna see multiple apps that you can download from there. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just simply download the app and just play around the app for a few moments, and then basically get out from it and then download the next one, right? Until you've done from this list of downloads, basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just get back to your Temu. Just go ahead right here and click on it, click on new right here, and basically you're gonna see your your credit balance right here, and just basically you're gonna see the the coupon uploaded to your to your profile. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.